I can't make no facial expressions right now because my face is like extra, I can't even say extra tight.
Dirty, bad, slim, thick. She might drug, she might fix. And I'm all up in her mix. She be mixing with the wrist. She the plug, she finesse. She the one they call the girl. She don't stress, she don't trip. And she fuck with all my bros. So if
Hey y'all, it's your girl hair Janae back with another video. So today I'm going to be using the bentonite clay hair mask, and I'm also going to be using it for my face. So let's jump right into it. So for starters, you will need the bentonite clay mask. I had got mine for $14.95 on Amazon. So next we're going to be using apple cider vinegar, and also we're going to be using a plastic bowl and a plastic spoon. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and start pouring the bentonite clay mix into the bowl. I don't measure it because there's no need to. You just have to apply an equal amount of vinegar and bentonite clay. So it is bubbling right now, but that's okay. You want to just keep stirring it until the bubbles fade away, and also until it becomes a smooth consistency. So just keep stirring it until it gets like this. Since my hair is dry, I'm going to be applying some water on my hair, just that way it can have a great slip to it when I do apply the clay mask on there. So it is best to detangle your hair before you start this, but I just decided not to because I just wanted to get straight into it. So I'm just applying my clay mask all onto my hair strands, working into sections so that way I can apply it evenly throughout my hair. So I am massaging it onto my scalp as well because it is a cleanser. So you want to apply it all throughout your scalp and your hair. This bentonite clay is great for your hair because it clarifies and cleanses your hair, and it also binds and attracts dirt and other impurities as well. It also conditions and moisturizes your hair, and if you do use it frequently on your hair, it can dry it out. So it is best if you just do this method like at least once every 4 to 6 weeks.
Enough of my creeping, baby. It was only for a season, maybe, and it ain't even really had nothing to do with you. No.
So this is how my hair looks when I applied it on one side of my hair. As you see, you can see my curl pattern, so I do love the fact that this clay mask actually clumps your curls together. So I am going to be applying the rest of this mask onto my face. This clay mask is good for your face because it can tighten and strengthen your large pores as well. It also tones and firm your skin. It's kind of like giving yourself a facelift. This clay mask is good for oily skin as well, and it also reduces blemishes and exfoliates your skin. So I am definitely about to rinse this out of my hair. I can't make no facial expressions right now because my face is like extra, I can't even say extra tight. I can't even crack a smile. So I am about to rinse everything out, and I will show you the results when I am back. So now that I rinsed out all of the clay in my hair and I'm also on my face, this is the results of it. I didn't apply anything on it yet. I will do so, but I just wanted to show you guys how my hair looked when I did rinse everything out. As you see, the curls are clumped together, and it does feel moisturizing as well. So overall, I am in love with this clay mask. So this is the ending of the video. If you do like this video, please do give it a thumbs up and also subscribe. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and God bless.